We have the coffee. Ready to go. Hello my sweet friends, welcome back. I am so excited about this video. I know there are some of you out there who have really been subscribed for like years and years. And so some of you probably remember when I used to do collective hauls. I don't want to say all the time, but they were like a regular occurrence on my channel. And the other day I was just thinking about it, and I was just thinking about how much I missed watching collective hauls. They used to be just such a huge part of like the beauty, fashion, lifestyle community here on YouTube, and I just don't see them anymore. So we're bringing them back. I'm so excited. If you don't know what a collective haul is, it's basically when a YouTuber sits down and shows you all the stuff that they've purchased over the past few weeks, over the past few months. So I'm not just showing you something that I got in one package or from one place. It's like every fun thing that I've probably purchased this whole year. I have clothes, shoes, activewear, some books, a whole bunch of stuff. Also, none of this is sponsored. I purchased pretty much everything. There's like a few pieces that I was gifted that I was just really excited about and wanted to share with you. We just have a whole range of stuff. So I thought this would just be really fun, just to sit down and talk through everything, tell you my thoughts, and just hang out for a bit. Actually, I might even start off by mentioning where these two pieces are from, this glass and this straw, because I get questions like every time I show these. They're honestly just both from Amazon. I'll try and leave links for a bunch of this stuff down below, but if you want to search these up, these are just called beer can glasses. Like that's what you search up to find them. And then just search up glass straws and you'll be able to find these. But again, I'll try and leave the exact links down below if you want to go through the exact same seller that I purchased these from. I don't even know where to start. I might start with some loungewear that I purchased. I got this set from Gymshark. You purchase the two pieces separately, but I have had my eye on both of these pieces for so long, and I'm so glad I finally bit the bullet and got them. So we have some lounge shorts. I think these are called the training lounge shorts, and then I think this tee might just be called the like training tee, but again, I'll link it down below. I can't really remember exactly. I got both of these pieces in a small and obviously in the black color, but they have them in a bunch of different colors, and I would love to get this shirt especially in like every single color. I literally went back on the website to buy the white one the other week, but it was sold out. So guess I'll have to wait for that one. But I just love this. I've been wearing it like at least once a week, if not more. As soon as it comes out of the wash, I'm wearing it again because I just love it. Personally, I just really love wearing bike shorts and oversized tees to the gym, and this is just the perfect fit. Like I've never found a t-shirt, like an oversized t-shirt, that fits exactly how I wanted it to, and this is it. This is the one. So I love this. The shorts I do love. They are so comfy, but I do wish I'd sized down to an extra small. They just give a little bit of a like diaper look to them because I didn't get the right size. So I do regret that. But if I had got the extra small, I think I would be like super obsessed. I still think I'm gonna get so much wear out of them, especially just around the house because they are so comfy. So I wouldn't be surprised if I end up purchasing more colors in both of these, but I would just size down on these shorts. And usually I'm like a 6 to an 8 in bottoms, if that's helpful at all. Moving on to activewear. I feel like I've purchased, not like heaps, but like quite a few pieces of activewear recently. I would say I'm still very much at the start of my like health and fitness journey, but I've been going to the gym consistently for almost a year now. And over time, I've just found which pieces of my activewear that I reach for more, which brands I prefer, what type of materials, what type of fits. And now that I kind of know my taste a little bit better, I just wanted to get a few new pieces. So let me show you, because I'm obsessed. Firstly, we have Crop Shop Boutique. If you haven't heard of Crop Shop Boutique, I don't know where you've been, because this brand has just popped off recently. Like, I know it's been around for quite a while, but I feel like I just woke up one day and just everyone was wearing it. And so I messaged a few of my friends and I was like, what's the deal? Like, do I need it? And they were like, yes, you do. Like, it will change your life. And ever since getting this one set, I have fallen in love. Like, this is stunning. I really thought it was going to be one of those things where it was like flattering, but not necessarily like the most functional set that I've ever worn. But the material of this set is so beautiful. It is buttery, it is soft, it is so comfy. The shorts especially are like my perfect pair of bike shorts, and I have tried so many brands, so many materials, so many styles, and these are just like probably my favorite in my drawer right now, and that is saying a lot. I will say that Crop Shop Boutique is kind of hard to get your hands on in terms of like sizing and exact colors that you want. I really wanted like a black or white set, was sold out. So I settled on this. Don't even know what the name of the color is called. It's kind of like a charcoaly, like khaki grey colour. You guys can see it's still fairly neutral, but would love to get my hands on like some black and white pieces as well. I got the 4-inch shorts and I kind of wish that I had gotten the 6. I'm pretty sure this colour or this collection in particular doesn't actually come in the 6-inch, so I couldn't. But now that I've tried it out, I think I would just love that little bit of extra length on my shorts, but that's just personal preference. They do have shorter ones as well. These ones are definitely not too short. I just think I would like the extra length. These ones also don't have the scrunch bum, but they do have those as an option if you want those. But they do have the back seam, which is really nice and flattering because you can kind of like pull it and like cinch it in to make your booty look amazing. And it doesn't have a front seam, which we absolutely love. Any brands that are still bringing out things with front seams, like literally why? If you can do no front seam, like why would you? Like I don't understand. So anyway, love these shorts. They fit perfectly and they are so comfortable. I got a size small in the shorts and then I got an extra small in the top, and I was debating whether to get this style of top for so long because I feel like I've seen everyone wearing them. Everyone looks so beautiful in this style. Big chest, small chest, whatever. But I was just really worried that I wouldn't like how much coverage it gave because it is obviously a very low cut. But I love it. It's really flattering. I would say it's not like the greatest support ever. Like I personally wouldn't run in it, but I have plenty of friends who do. For like running, I prefer to be like super secure up top. I don't have a super large chest, but I personally would not be comfortable running in this. But for like upper body days, this is stunning because the back is just super strappy and super like open, I guess. And I just think it's so beautiful. I love this. Near the end of last year, I got my first Muscle Republic activewear. I got this little purple set. It is like the most fun color ever. I love it. And then this year I saw that they brought out a new collection called the On My Way collection, and it was all like neutrals, browns, beiges, stunning. And I was like, I really want a brown set. So I got the color Mocha, which is kind of their middle color. They have a lighter beige and then a darker brown as well. And I love it. Love it so much. I think I actually prefer this set over my purple set in terms of material. I think this is like the Luxe version 2 or something along those lines. And the material of both these pieces is again so buttery, so soft, so comfortable. We have no front seam. I really like the length of these shorts. They're like perfect to me. I got these in a small and I kind of wish I'd gotten an extra small, and I should have paid attention because on the website it literally says that this like material or this collection runs a little bit on the larger side. So if you're in between sizes, size down, because the material is just like a little bit not looser, like it still fits me very well, but I just want to be like, you know, I hope that makes sense. And then this is the matching top. It's like a long line sports bra, so it has that little bit of extra fabric at the bottom there. It also has a really strappy back, which again is so beautiful. If you're not comfortable wearing a sports bra alone, you might like this a little bit more because it is just a little bit longer, but the color is just stunning. Again, super soft and comfortable material. I got an extra small in the top because that's just my normal size and I love it. And I was so obsessed with that set that last week I went back and bought some more pieces from Muscle Republic. So firstly we got another set, and this is in the same material as the brown set that I just showed you because again, like I said, I was just so obsessed with it. So soft, so comfortable, and I love this pattern. I don't even know if you'd call it a pattern, just this material, almost like a salt and pepper, like black and white marl. They call it Arctic White, but I got these shorts, which I'm so excited about. I've never owned I mean, they're not white completely, like they're not like a solid white, but I've never owned a white pair of shorts, and I feel like this is like the closest I would go to pure white, just for like squatting reasons and like see-through reasons. But again, so soft. I'm obsessed. I love this. And then I got the matching sports bra, which is pretty just like standard, but again, so stunning. I haven't tried this on because I literally just got it in the mail before filming this vlog, so I'm very excited. But I did get an extra small in these shorts since the brown ones were a little bit on the bigger side. I decided to size down and I'm very excited to try those on. And then I also just got a plain white sports bra because I only have 2 white sports bras in my activewear collection and they're basically constantly in the wash because I'm always reaching for them. So I decided to get another just like staple white sports bra, and again, this will look stunning with these shorts. Extra small as per usual. I love it. I have a pair of shoes to show you. They're from Asics and this is what they look like. I just got a new pair of runners because mine have absolutely carked it. I have knee problems, which is really fun. And ever since like high school, I've basically only been able to wear Asics if I'm doing running, just because my knees can't handle the, well, I don't even know, like the weight, just like the pressure that gets put on your legs and your body when you run, because it's a bit more of an intense workout, I guess, compared to like walking. Like I can walk in whatever, but running, I need like proper support and really solid shoes. So I've had my last pair of Asics for literally 4 years, and they have lived their life. They have done really well, but they were just starting to fall apart. So I decided to invest in a new pair. I pretty much always buy just like plain white or plain black runners and sneakers and stuff, but I was like, no, let's like switch it up. So I got these ones. They're so fun. I feel like such a mum when I wear my Asics, but you know what? Who cares? Look after your feet. Look after your body. These also really help me with shin splints, because I get really bad shin splints when I run. So they're definitely not the most like trendy thing I've ever seen, but so worth it to me, not waking up the next day being absolutely like dead. Another package that I literally just got before filming this video is from a small business called Teshi. I love her stuff. It is absolutely stunning, and so you can just see that there's so much love put into her brand. The names of the product, the designs, it's all just so well thought out, and I love it so much. So I wanted to show you these pieces. I haven't tried these on yet, but she just brought out her autumn/winter collection, so definitely go check it out. Actually, she also gave me a discount code to share with you guys, so it's Rachel20 for 20% off, which is amazing. These pieces were gifted, so I'm very thankful to have them, but they're so freaking cute. But first of all, we have this crew neck, like oversized crew neck. This one's a size medium, so it is going to have that oversized fit to it, which I love. She also has a bunch of different colors in this crew neck, and it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. And then she also sent these pants, which I am so excited about. I have never been so excited about a pair of pants in my whole life, but like, look at these pants. They are these wide leg, I don't know if they're like knit. I don't know. I got a size small, but they're just like super oversized and comfy and flowy. And I feel like they'll look really cute with a sweater in the winter. You'll feel like you're wearing sweatpants, but you're actually looking so much cuter than that. I just love them so much. They're the perfect color. I just can see myself wearing these like every single day coming into these cooler months. And then she also sent me this hat, which of course has the Teshi logo on it, which I love. It's a little bit too big right now. I need to adjust it, but I love the faded black. So fun. Last few clothing pieces are from Princess Polly. This is not sponsored, but these were gifted to me, but they're just so cute that I wanted to share with you. Firstly, we have this beautiful dress. Have you ever seen something more Rachel? Probably not. I love this. It's like a linen material. It's this beige color. It has a little tie at the back, so it has that little bit of a lower back, which is really nice. I got this in a size 6. I'll try and link it down below. I do have a code for Princess Polly, but I don't know what it is. PPRach20 is my code. I also have this maxi dress, which is beautiful. So stunning. So it goes all the way to the floor. I don't think it has any slits in it, which is actually really nice. I feel like a lot of maxi dresses in this style have slits that go up sometimes a little bit too high for my personal preference. So love this. It is a beautiful pattern. Love that. And then it also has a really strappy back. Pretty sure I got this in a size 6. Love that. I'm gonna try and get as much wear out of it as I can until the warmer weather comes to an end. But I could definitely just pop a little like white knit sweater over the top and wear it throughout winter as well. And then lastly from Princess Polly, I have this oversized tee. This is from their Disney collection, and I just love this. And I think this would be perfect to wear with just like a pair of blue jeans or to the gym over my bike shorts. And I love matching my graphic tees with my bike shorts. So like I would love to wear, like, actually I don't have red shorts, but if you have red shorts, very cute. Blue, black, obviously, anything like that. I just feel like my plain white tees and my white graphic tees are my most worn things in my wardrobe. Like, it's just what I reach for the most. So I want to expand my collection a little bit. The last little category of things that I have to share with you are books. These are all the books that I've purchased in the past few months, and honestly it's not that bad. My birthday is coming up in a few weeks, and I've kind of tried to refrain from buying books until then, because usually Christmas and my birthday I get like bulk books and then I just read them for the rest of the year, and it kind of just like sets me up. So I've been trying to refrain from buying books, but I still ended up with these ones. So let me show you. Firstly, we have Ace of Spades, which I ended up reading last month and I loved it. 5-star read, absolutely phenomenal. Read this, it's so good. Then I also got the first book in the Shadow and Bone trilogy. I've heard so many good things about this and I really wanted to check it out because I really loved The Cruel Prince and I want to read more fantasy this year. So I actually just finished reading this like a week ago and I really enjoyed it. I don't think it was as good as The Cruel Prince, but in saying that, a lot of the times the first book in a trilogy, especially with fantasy, isn't quite as good because they have so much to like explain and like build up. I have asked for the other 2 books for my birthday. crossing my fingers. Pretty sure I will, because I might have already seen them in my house somewhere, but very excited to read those. Then I also got the next book in the Addicted / Calloway Sisters series. This is the 7th book, and for some reason this one was like oddly expensive. I actually don't even want to think about how much it cost, because in terms of books this was like kind of a lot. These books are just expensive books. If you can just read the ebook versions, I honestly would, because buying the whole collection, there's 10 of them, it adds up. So that's another reason why I only buy one at a time, because even though I'm gonna spend the same amount of money overall, it doesn't feel like it when I only buy one at a time. I think this was like $37. I know, that's ridiculous. But I already have 6 out of the 10 books, like as if I'm not gonna buy the rest of them. So we got this one. She's a bit chunky, but I'm really excited to read this. It's Lily and Lo's last book, which is so sad, but very excited. And then we have Open Water, which I'm really excited about. I've heard incredible things about this by everyone who I've seen read it. It's a really short book as well, which is nice. Beautiful hardback. It's on my TBR for this month, so hopefully I get to it, especially because it is so short. And then lastly, I have a couple of non-fiction books. I honestly really love reading non-fiction. I just don't get through it as quickly as I get through fiction, so I tend not to buy as many of them. The first one that I have is Why We Sleep by Matthew Walker, The New Science of Sleep and Dreams. It just sounded extremely interesting to me. I've never looked into sleep or dreams or read any books about the topic, and I just think it would be really interesting, so very excited to read this. And then this one, which I've heard so much about, is Untamed by Glennon Doyle. It says, stop pleasing, start living. So very interested. It's also blurbed by Brene Brown. Untamed will liberate women emotionally, spiritually, and physically. I believe Glennon was born to write this book just this way at just this moment in history. It is phenomenal. That's a lot to live up to, so we'll see how that goes. I'll let you guys know in future vlogs and stuff how I find that. I still have a little bit to finish in my current nonfiction before I pick that one up, but I think it'll be my next one. But that is everything that I have to share with you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know if you want to see more collective hauls in the future. I was about to say, I feel like I don't like shop that much. I definitely do. I don't know, I feel like collective hauls are just so fun because you get to see so many different things. As per usual, if you did enjoy this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I post on Mondays and Thursdays at 5 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, if you're wondering. But I love you guys. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Good